Hi guys, Rafael here again, and today is another cubing video. Last time we did a video of one-handed Rubik's cubing, and I've never solved a Rubik's cube two-handed for like 7-something months. So I finally learned how to solve the Rubik's cube now, and then we're gonna see the how fast I could do Rubik's cubing now. I think I'm gonna do it like less than 9 minutes because I was solving earlier this day. So let's go. I'm already done step 1 now. Pretty fast. I think because of the explaining, it slows me down. I've been so I'm learning the Rubik's cube in those times 8 months ago. It took me like 1 month, but now 10-something days. Okay, done step 3, step 4. It's 1 minute. And I think it's 1 minute doing it. And I'm already done step 3. Okay. I'm almost done the cross step. The yellow cross. Now the top layer left. Okay. I thought I messed up.
We remember we had this game. But now we have it.
Oh. What? I skipped 2 steps. This commonly happens to me.
We can do alphabet.
And I did it in 2 minutes. And wait.
It's so
3.
foolish.
I think 3 minutes something. I think so. Okay. Gonna do it again. I'm gonna wait for it to be. What's the time? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go.
I'm gonna try this one. It's yellow. Yeah, I like it again.
Okay, 24 seconds. And I'm kind of like struggling. Forty 42 seconds, then I'm done 2 steps already. I'm getting confused what I'm gonna do. And now I'm not. I know what it just has been 10 views on the on my early video. If you haven't heard if you haven't seen in the other video, I said time out because my brother was throwing toys onto the screen. So that's why. And that is the funniest thing that I seen in this video, in that video. Every time we see it, we laugh. Okay? 3 minutes, 16 seconds. One last solve. I don't know if I could beat 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay. I'm waiting for the 7-minute mark. I think it's a great time to like and subscribe. So do it quick. There's like 15 seconds left. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. What am I doing? What? I know I dropped the cube 6 times in my other video. And sometimes I drop it when I'm normal cubing. Seven minutes, it's 45 seconds. Done. Step 2. I think this is gonna be it. I'm gonna break the 3-minute mark. The 3-minute mark. I hope I will. Come on. Uh-oh. I think I didn't wait for the 8-minute mark. I was waiting for the 7-minute mark. Okay. I was getting confused. Wait, this is it? I think I'm gonna make it. It's almost 2 minutes. Okay. Oh my. It's almost 10 minutes. If it's 10 minutes, then it's over 3 minutes. Yeah. What? What? Oh my, that was almost 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It was 2 minutes and 23 seconds. And that was the final solve. I hope you enjoy, guys. And please like and subscribe. If you didn't like or subscribe, you can subscribe now. Bye.